The job interview is a milestone that every professional will encounter. Every action from the moment you step onto the property makes a difference. Today, we're tackling the crucial do's and don'ts that can make or break your first impressions.
Our first essential tip is proper attire. The clothes you wear are your first non-verbal communication. Sanjay, with his overly casual clothes, sends a message of indifference and a lack of respect for the formality of the process. Now, observe Billy. His clean, well-fitting suit demonstrates discipline and serious commitment. Always be slightly overdressed rather than underdressed. The initial handshake is an immediate test of confidence. Sanji's attempt is clumsy, either too weak or he holds on for too long, while avoiding eye contact. A poor handshake communicates nervousness or even a lack of respect. Watch Billy. The handshake is brief, firm, and dry. He maintains direct, respectful eye contact. This projects sincerity and self-assurance. Once seated, your posture and hand placement are critical. Sanji slouches heavily in his chair, taking an overly comfortable, lousy pose. Compounding this, he crossed his arm over his chest, which can be interpreted as defensive or closed off. Billy sits upright, leaning slightly forward as if he is actively listening. His hands are open and neutral, only using controlled gestures to emphasize a point. This conveys engagement and honesty.
We've covered how nonverbal cues directly impact your outcome. It seems Sanji learned a hard lesson.
Yeah, I didn't get the job.
But Billy's
He said that I
preparation,
didn't fit the vibe.
but Billy's preparation paid.
So, we're looking forward to having you, Mr. Billy. Thank you, Sir Vincent.
When you prepare your body language as diligently as your answers, you position yourself for success.
Your attire is the first expression, as well your first nonverbal message. This is need to remember that all throughout your interview signals that you need to be wear good attire to give an impact, seriousness, discipline, and professionalism. Before you have a conversation to your employer, give an discipline by having a handshake with them. It determines your energy and confidence level, as well your gratitude, and it will read your character in that first physical interaction. Body language highlights the behavior of your own personality. It supports your message and it will cause to destroy your credibility. You need to focus yourself and communicate with confidence. The main goal is prove them that you are physically to the industry you want to work with. Your final expression is most important throughout your interview, as much as the first. The final is will reinforce your professionalism or expose your weaknesses. The scene highlights how interviewee need to be prepared on themselves. They need to reflect how every small detail is to remember. In clothing, posture, communication, and behavior. Also, the main is your attitude. It also highlights the do's and don'ts that needed in every situation. Billy shows the do's are having a preparation, awareness, respect, and determination. Sanji shows the don'ts. On the other hand, he reveals how easily one person can unintentionally sabotage the opportunity by having a lack of awareness, confidence, and distractions.